guys, so today we have a cozy little background, and today we're going to open up our lot of cutetitos. Yeah, so let's go. I want to open up this brown one. Wonder what's inside. Ooh, 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 ooh. Open up cutito. Cutito. Open this up. Did we get a fox? We got the fox. And let's see, where's the cards? Where's the cards? So we got Violito, and it is a Foxito. Let's wrap it back up since it fell out when I got it out. That way, and then that way. There we go. That's better. Got Violito, the Foxito. Okay, move all these out of the way. Right here. Cute, cute. Okay, let's open up this one now. Let's open up this one now. Yeah, cute. Let's open up this one. Oh, this one's cool looking. Look at that. Is that? I think we got a Lionito, and it is a berry fruity. This one was a fruity one. This one is a berry fruity. Cool. All right. Let's see what we got. We got the lion. We got Sherbetito. Okay. Put the wrapper down and wrap it back up. Ooh, this dragon fruit thing is really cool. I like these new burrito shells for them. Yeah, it's cute. Okay, now let's try. Okay, cool. Okay, now we got two open. Let's open up this one. Wonder what this one will be. Wonder what this one will be. Oh, looks like we got a watermelon one. I think. We got the dragon. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. These little things, and face is so cute. And the face is so cute. Okay, let's see what we got. We got a dragon. That is so cool. Never gotten a dragon before. It's new for me. Okay, there we go. Woo. Now we have 3. Just got 2 more to go. Actually, I want to open up this one. Wonder what this one is. Oh, and this is a extra fruity one. This is a berry fruity, and this is a fruity one. Ooh, I think we got an orange one, guys. Let's see. Did we get the bear? We got the bear. Got a super rare one. That is pretty cool, guys. That's pretty cool. Okay. its little shiny ears. Oh, that's cute. Open it up. And we got Cherryto, and he is a Berryto. And we got a super fruity one. That means we got the rare one. We got the rare one. Yeah, we got the rare one. Got a rare one. And here's all of the ones you can get. And I have this one. I have this one. And I have this one. And I have, let's see, what else do I have? I don't know. Oh, right. I have this one right here, the dragon. And that is so cool that we got a rare one. Now, oh, this is a cool one. This is like an orange wrapper. Ooh, it has a fluffy tail. I love this one because it has cherries on it. It's so cute. Like I said, I can't believe we got a rare one. That is so cool. Like this, and go like this. Put it in the middle here. And we cover its fluffy tail. Oh, right, this side first. So hard to wrap these things back up. But I still like them. They're so cute. I'm liking the cutetitos. Cool. We got a bear. Got the rare one. Okay, we have one more to open. Let's see what it is. Oh, I think we got a pink one. Another dragon fruit one. Oh, wrong side. We got the chinchilla. We got another fruity one. That's pretty cool, guys. So we got Chinchillito. And it is, we got Puffito, and it is Chinchillito. I think, let's open it. Yeah, it is. It's a chinchilla. I am a chinchilla. And we got Puffito. Oh, and we got another card for this one. Let's see. I want Berryto. That one looks like a cool one. Ooh. Oh, right. I already have that one. Have Rainbow-ito. Remember, this is my last half, so, you know. I have, so how they put the wrap on. There we go. The chinchilla. And here is our. Got Ceres 4 because it's the newest, and got a bunch of these, so it's actually I hid these 3 because I wanted to show you these 3 first, these 4 first, because it's more. So now I'm going to open these ones. Wonder what we got. Strong muscles. Oh, did we get a brown one? Got another cute one. And got, I don't know what we got yet. Did we get the crab, guys? I think we got a crab. I think this is new, because we've never gotten a crab before. So, yeah. Never gotten a crab before. We've never gotten a crab before. Put it here. Oh, right. Ooh, this kiwi one is cool too. Oh. Oh, whoopsie. Knocked over this one. Okay, let's do the crab. Okay. These wraps are a little bit tricky to wrap, but if you know how to wrap a burrito, then it's probably going to be a little bit easier for you. And I don't, but it's still easy for me. This, and then we take this side over, and boom, I got a crabby too. I'm gonna have to keep going thinner over this way because they're all getting in the way. This is just trash from one of the other ones. Okay, let's open this one. So, open that like that. Wait, I see something white. I wonder what we got. Another brown one? How many brown ones did they make? Seriously, guys. Let's see. Let's see. That is a really cute one. I think we got a unicorn. It's a chubby unicorn. It's a chubby unicorn. It's a chubby unicorn. One time I gave one of these to my friend, and it was a unicorn. And it looked just like this. Maybe it was the same one. Maybe I got it too. Okay. Let's wrap it back up. Wrap her little body up, wrap her little body up. Wrap her little body up. Wrap her little body up, wrap her little body. And put it with the rest. And put it with the rest. Okay, guys, we have one more to open. Now, I know this one isn't the toucan because I already opened the toucan in one of my last videos. Can't remember which one, but I did open up the toucan. Maybe you could go back and see if I can open this thing. Oh, it can stand up. The bag can stand up. This bag can stand up. Okay. Get this thing out of here. Oh, I think we got another orange one. I think we got another orange one. Look at how cute he is. I think we got the bee. They've never made a bee before, I don't think. Yeah, I don't think I remember having a bee before. So cool! Oh yeah, bee. Oh yeah, bee. Yeah. Now let's unwrap it and see. Whoa! Look at these beautiful golden rings. Wings. That is so cool. Oh, and it's another one of those orange ones. I got Buzzito, and it is a fruity one. That means we got one of the common ones this time. So far, we only have one rare one. Alright, we're missing the other 2 rare ones because they only gave us 9 of these. So we're missing the other 2 rare ones and the lemur, I think. Maybe when I get the owl and the maybe when I get the owl and the bat, I can show you. I could get a video of me opening those too, if we get one. Oh right, we're getting one tomorrow. What? Silly me! I put it on exactly on the wrong spot. On the wrong spot. This is how you wrap a burrito. 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 And there you go, go, go. We wrapped our burrito. Wow, we have so many, we have to put them on top of each other. Also look. All of them. I think my favorite would have to be this one right here, Puffy-O. Would have to be one of my favorites. But my ultimate favorite is probably the unicorn. I like the unicorn. I like this one too, but it's not as cute as this one and this one. The unicorn and the chinchilla. Well, just take a good look for the last minutes of this video. I also like this one a lot. That's funny. It's sideways.